vas branler de connard comme moi! Connard! Connard! Taxi! Tu flânes, toi!
Fuck it. No way. Oh my god, lad, you see how bad this is fucking awful.
Ice cold, I'm chillin' with the cool pop, feeling like pop, crackin' fast with the doom, acting like a fool, I'm ready by the room. DJ, please play that heat now. DJ, please play that heat now. DJ, please play that heat now.
Sip Ace, that super bass got boom, boom. Got me dead live, I'm Kurt Cobain, boom, boom. Sip Ace, that super bass got boom, boom. Got me dead live, I'm Kurt Cobain, boom, boom. Sip Ace, that freaking down. Super bass got boom, boom. Got me dead live, I'm Kurt Cobain, boom, boom. Sip Ace, that freaking down. Super bass got. Super bass got.
So what's this then?
Well, they've spelt it wrong.
Broken?
No, yeah, but they've spelt it wrong.
What?
F-P-O-S.
Are you dyslexic?
No.
You're just stupid?
Just can't spell.
Oh right, okay, that's alright then. So what, no, what is this?
F-P-O-S.
Are you going to tell everyone what it means?
It's a French piece of shit.
Well, Luke calls it French baguette. So many of you will have seen what happened to Luke the other day at Castle Combe. Let us know in the comments down below what you think happened. What do you think happened, Ben?
Well, I think he had a crash.
Yeah, no, but what do you think? Yeah, no, obviously. Hell, we'll have to start this again.
Well, I think he ignored there's a message on the dash that says he's got a braking fault. What I think he did was ignore that.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Or ran out of talent?
Yeah, maybe. Did he have any to start with, or?
I don't know. Let us know again in the comments down below. But anyway, Luke, you're a lemon. Poor little Lukey in his little car. To be fair, this was actually quite a tidy car in the first instance. It's not so tidy anymore. But it's actually not as bad as you'd thought, really. It looked quite slow and undramatic in the video. We've watched it a couple of times, and if I'm honest, it didn't look as dramatic as the result of what the damage is on the front. If you've seen Luke's videos, you probably will have seen the damage, but what we're going to do is go into a little bit more depth about just how broken it is and some of the damage that we need to repair and assess. And we haven't really had it here for long enough to decide what needs doing to it yet. But thankfully, Luke, we gave him some numbers and he ordered some bits in advance. So we've got quite a few of the panels here. We've got a few of the mechanical and geometric components. Now that's a good word, isn't it? Do you like that word?
What does it mean?
Don't know. You'll have to let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. I just googled it and found that word and thought I'd put it in. But so from the side of the car, there's damage to the driver's side door. That'll probably come out with dentless, good enough for what it is.
Dentless?
Paintless. Dentless, yeah. Wicked. Right, so that'll probably come out with paintless dent removal. We've had a look at it before and there's a little bit of a crease behind that actual trim, isn't there, Ben? So we had a go ourselves at doing that with a couple of suckers and yeah, it didn't work. But anyway, it is what it is. We've got that bit. So we've got the fairly obvious of like damaged wing. Obviously there's a crack there. On the other side it's really more obvious, but we'll take you and show you that in a minute. But if Lee, you want to come around the front here with old Max Branning and we'll have a look at the damage. And incidentally, if anyone wants one of those new t-shirts we got on sale, Ben is quite happy to sign a Max Branning if you pay an extra. Obviously, we're going to cover just the ink costs, are we, Ben? Or are you going to want to take some sort of royalty out of this? There's not enough. Lee hasn't got enough bleeps left for this point, so that's why he's not responding. So,
have I ever told you what I like about you?
No, there's not a short enough piece of paper, is there?
No.
Okay. So we've got apparently a leaking radiator. We don't know that because we haven't really confirmed it, but I'm assuming it's empty, bereft of water. So from a starting point, Ben, let's rock through this. You haven't had any chance to really look at it, but assess the damage in like under 3 minutes.
Well, we got what, crash bar. Hopefully the chassis legs are straight. Looks like they are. I think these sort of crumple zones have taken the impact of all that, saved the chassis legs hopefully. Pair of wings, probably repair the bonnet, I'd have thought.
Yeah, we had a look at that before, and the two skins have separated. We've had a word with our bodywork guy because we're going to drop it up to someone else to do the bodywork on. Just to let you know, we're just doing the mechanical elements and bolting on the bodywork components, so we're not taking on any respraying or any repairs of any panels or anything like that. But I'll leave this bonnet up. Well, the reason why we want to try and repair... do
you need hands with that?
Yeah, I do. Where? Oh, there. It's French, isn't it? They're all in the wrong place. It's on the wrong side for a start. It's already got the bonnet pins on, and it's got, you know, £1,000 worth of gold wrap here, so we don't want to bin that, you know what I mean? I saw Luke do that myself personally. It took him hours to do because, you know, Luke does these things and he shows you on camera that he does a lot of stuff, but when it came down to doing this, it only took him about 2 hours to do those little sections there. I'm only joking, Luke. So yeah, we don't want to really mess about with this because the pins have already been done, and I just don't see the point in it because it's a track car and Luke's struggling to find a bonnet, so let's just see if that can be repaired. Obviously then moving on to the driver's side, which took the most amount of the impact. But from a perspective of what's actually damaged, we don't know whether the suspension leg is damaged, but what we do know is that the Revo-esque type knuckle on that side is goosed, and the control arms, is it? Or at least the rack end and track rod end.
It's got no steering, basically.
Yeah, it's got no steering attached to it. We discovered that when we tried to take it off the recovery track earlier on, and we had to kick the wheel to get it off, as you would do with any broken kind of steering. So let's get this car back rolling, and let's assess what other bits, other than the big components that we've got Luke to order. We'll show you them in the next video. For this video, it's just more of an explanation about the fact that it needs, what it basically needs doing. We will let you know exactly what has been done to the car, and hopefully Luke will tell you how much it's cost. We've not pushed this car in advance again of anything else. It's fitted in around other things in it, Ben, and hopefully the work that we've got to do will take what, in terms of putting the bits on?
Get it, I don't know, a couple of hours hopefully, just to get it steering again.
So yeah, we'll just get it steering again. This is just a case of 2 hours fitting in between other stuff, because we actually had a car booked in this morning, didn't we, Ben, that needs more stuff doing, so we've got to order that stuff, so we'll just give it that slot. It's just that simple. I know people think that we make a big deal of this and push people in advance. We don't. If we can push something into a slot, we will do. It makes business sense to put that person in that slot if they fit. So we'll get these mechanical bits bolted on, and we'll get it shipped off with the new bits, see if we can get this bonnet addressed, see if we can get it repaired, probably contact the dentless paint remover, or the paintless dent remover in reality, just to have a look at that door and see if we can salvage that and hopefully make something of it without sacrificing some stickers on that door. But for now, if you haven't already, then please give Ben an idea about what he's meant to say. Subscribe to the channel.
Thanks.
Alright.
Give me some warning.
I did. I said please and pointed to you. That's warning enough, isn't it?
I know, I get stage fright.
So yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that
bell icon.
Yeah, to stay notified. Give the video
thumbs up.
Yeah, boy. Give that video a thumbs up and comment down below what you think the costs are. If you think there's any pitfalls or anything that you think that we're doing wrong or we should assess, or something that Luke should do while he's doing this work. I know that in the video he mentioned that he wasn't very happy with the setup, so maybe that's something that we look at, isn't it, Ben? And let us know down below how fast you think Luke was going when he actually binned it. We don't know, he probably doesn't know, but anyway, it's just something cool to comment on. But for now, we'll leave you at that, and we'll join you again in another video about Luke's car. Keep watching the channel, keep making sure you've got those notifications turned on, so that you don't I can't get my words out today. On, so that you don't miss out on any of this content, or the Evil GT content that we've got coming again soon. And we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for tuning in.